we're gonna get this show on the road, but I'm just gonna talk to you guys, you know, where I've been the last year and a half, nearly 2. I don't know how well that mic is picking up that intake, but I'll try to isolate it. But it's been almost a year since I've been, or no, it has been a year since I've been gone, maybe over. And this is the first real video I'm going to be posting, right? But I just want to talk where I've been at, how I've been. All I can say is nothing bad, really. I mean, I got one ticket, you know. That's all I can say is I've got one ticket now. Not on my record. I have my 36. I got pulled over for going 36 over, you know. Maybe, allegedly, but not officially, I was speeding. And perhaps it was another BMW. But that's that, right? I did my time. I ain't doing no time. I'm just lying, bro. You know, I did my 4-hour class. I did everything my lawyer told me to do, 4-hour class, my 36 hours, and now all I gotta do is finish out my 1-year probation, unsupervised, in which all in honesty is just a scare tactic. Keep everybody in check, you know, make sure they're not gonna, you know, become repeats, you know. And I've kept my nose clean for 7 months now, somewhere around there, I don't know. But other than that, I've been pretty fine. I've been having fun, hanging with friends. A little bit sad. Friends have been moving. A lot of my friends are seniors. They just graduated. So there's that. A lot of them graduating, leaving for college. Some friends moved back to home states, you know, stuff like that. No complaints over the last year, and real talk, I'm ready to start a new chapter on YouTube. And let's just say, I'm here. I'm coming back. It's been a while since I even posted a YouTube short. It's just, I don't know, I've been working quite a bit and stuff. I do have windows down. I hope that, you know, there's not so much wind noise. But that's basically life's recap. Just been chilling. Been doing a ton of fishing. Fishing almost every single day, you know? Not trying to push it too hard. Engine's not even warm still. It's getting up there. What's going on up here? God. N20 intakes are top 5. There probably are better intakes, you know, B58s, F55s, of course, you know, way better sounding, but man, for the price I pay for this intake, come on, $100. $100 for this intake. I don't know if I know, the guy I got it off, he might have taken 80, but this was like April. Nah, this was like early May. Very early May. I don't know. One and a half years. Coming back. I want to do car content. Nah, N20s are fun, bro. Come on. Let's be for real. Everybody's gonna hate them. Everybody's gonna dog on them. You know? Just because they're not N55, B58, and it's a BMW 4-cylinder. Everybody's gonna hate them. But literally, first car. It's my first car, and I got this. Anybody would be happy. You know? You should be happy. I'm happy. I got this. I'm also ready, you know? Mind you, I'm not even 18 yet, yo. Not even 18. And for the price I paid, come on now. Great deal. Great deal. Undisclosed, but great deal. For the miles, it was actually pretty valid, but, you know, it is what it is. Everybody's got their own thing. Everybody's paying their own price tag. But if you got someone who got, you know, you got connections to, you can't complain about this car in any way possible. I know the rear microphone before I edit is a lot louder, so I'm just gonna lower the volume of the rear microphone, the exhaust mic, boost the front so that you guys can hear these sweet old intakes. Don't even do it, dude. Okay. It's like there's 4 accidents that just occurred, or it's like 2 separate accidents in the same like vicinity. I'm probably gonna have to head back that way too. I already know there's a cop coming around too somewhere. I was trying to not keep this video too long because I know I'm going to run out of storage on my phone for this. But, I don't know. I know. It's nice to get back out, record a little POV, talk a little bit. Truth be told, the reason why I've been gone from YouTube for so long is literally just because of lack of motivation. Real talk. But I got these $80 microphones and I better use them. I ain't gonna lie. I bought them for this and now I'm gonna start doing this. You know, that's what that like 1 week phase of YouTube Shorts was, is literally just, I bought them just so I could make car content, and then I just stopped making car content. And even then, it wasn't even really car content. It was literally just a couple, like 5-6 YouTube Shorts. But this is gonna be the first real video, and this one's gonna get posted. I'll be back and I'll be doing full breakdowns and stuff. It's not even full breakdowns. I'm just gonna tell you guys what to expect out of an N20, out of an almost 2-year ownership. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. See ya.